check this out, guys. Not only do we see this one GT2 RS here, but there is a second one right next to it. Two GT2 RS's brand new side by side. Amazing. All right, guys, good morning and welcome to another video. In this video, you know what? I just finished doing some great runs out on some twisty country roads. If you want to check out that video, please see that little card coming up here, or click that link in the description. I think you'll enjoy that. Let's get to this video. I just finished those runs, so I had a lot of fun in this car, but I want to see some more cars. So we're going to head to a Cars and Coffee this morning in New Jersey. Hopefully it'll be a good turnout. So come along for the ride. Let's check it out. On my way, guys. Boy, this car is so great in the country back roads. I'm only scratching the surface, just scratching the surface of what this car can do. So I'm really looking forward to Watkins Glen in a few weeks. I hope to bring you that video as well. That'll be my first, what they call driver education day through the Porsche Club of America. I call it a track day. So it'll be a brand new experience for me, but I really want to see what this GTS can do like a racetrack, where you don't have to worry about deer and police and all of that. So I'll bring you that video. I'll be soaking it all in, as well as learning about this GTS and what it's capable of doing. All right, we are here, guys. Let's check out the show. My buddy Aston's car, he's just pulling in with this beautiful black turbo. Very nice. I even like this Audi RS3. This thing is set up real nice. Check this out, guys. Not only do we see this one GT2 RS here, but there is a second one right next to it. Two GT2 RS's brand new side by side. Amazing to have two of them at the same location. What a rare sight. right, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. This was a great Cars and Coffee today. Just a great selection of cars. I was impressed. I hope you were too. If you were, please hit that like button, subscribe if you want to see more content, and I'll see you in the next video, everybody. Safe driving.